Hello everybody. In this video I'm going to show you how to embed a video inside of a Canvas item, and this will work in any Canvas area that you can access the rich content editor. So that means you can add videos to your announcements, to your assignments, or even just to a page. So the first step is to go and find the video, and for this example we're going to use YouTube. So once you've located the video, a good best practice is to watch the video with the captions on to make sure that it is properly captioned. So I'm going to click the little CC to the lower right of the video. That turns on the captions. And normally you'd watch through the video with these captions on just to make sure everything's okay. But I've already checked out this video for this demo, so I know that it's captioned correctly. Once you've determined that, you're going to click on the share button that's just below the video and select the embed icon here. Then you will click on the code to the right, and YouTube's great because it has this little copy button that I like to use. That'll save you some time. Otherwise you can use a keyboard shortcut to copy this code, or even right click and select copy. Once you have that code copied, we're going to return to Canvas, and you're going to go into the item by clicking Edit. Next, you'll figure out where you want to put that video. So let's say I want to put it between these two sentences here. I would click inside next to the period at the end of the first sentence. I'm going to hit Enter on my keyboard, and then I will select Insert, then Embed, and I will paste my embed code in this box. So I'm clicking in the box, I'll right click and select paste, and then you're going to click on the submit button. And there we go, we have the video inside of Canvas. The next step is to save the item by scrolling to the bottom and clicking on save. And that's it, I've embedded this YouTube video inside of Canvas. I'm going to show you one other method, and this involves Canvas Studio. We're going to select Studio, which is on the far left in the global navigation, and I'm actually going to open this in a new tab by right-clicking on Studio and selecting Open in a new tab. And I'm doing that so I can keep this Canvas page open as well. So now I'll go up and select the Studio tab. And this is a library of videos that I've either uploaded myself or imported from YouTube. And if you want to import a video from YouTube, all you have to do is go over to the plus add, and then you can paste your YouTube link in the YouTube area and click add video. And then if I wanted to upload a video myself that I made on my computer, you can use this left area here to drag and drop, or click on browse file to upload a video. And once you've got videos in your library, all you need to do to embed is click on the thumbnail. Let's say this is the video. We're going to click View, and then you click on the three dots in the upper right corner. That'll open up a drop-down where you can select Share and click the Links tab, and you'll see this embed code here. Sometimes it'll ask you to create a public link. You might have to click something to get here. But once it's created, you can highlight that embed code and copy it. Then go back into Canvas and edit the item again. Locate where you want to put that video. I'm going to put it below this paragraph. So I'm clicking in there, creating a new line with the Enter key, and then I'm going to insert, embed, and then paste that code and click submit. Now I've got my Canvas Studio video and my YouTube video both embedded on this Canvas page. I can click Save if I want. The good news about embedding a Canvas Studio video in the way I just showed you is that if you copy this content to a future semester, it will make sure that that video plays in the future semester. There's a different way to embed a Canvas Studio video if you just want it private to your class and not be able to be copied to another class. For that, you would actually click on Edit and then find where you want to put that video. And then you would click on the Canvas Studio icon inside the rich content editor, which is right here, this little blue icon. That opens up your library, and then you can choose a video this way. And so if we select this one, we can click on the blue embed button, and that's going to embed this video just in this class. So it's a good way if you're sharing maybe a Zoom that has some of your students in it and you don't want future classes to have access to that video where they can see your students. This is the way you would do it. If you do embed a private video and then copy your course content to a future semester, just remember to delete that video in the future class. Otherwise, students might try and click on it and not have access. So there's 3 different ways to embed videos into Canvas. There's actually a lot more ways to do it, but that's all we're going to cover today in this video. If you want to learn how to caption videos, I do have other how-tos that cover that. Thanks for watching.